What up, guys? Good afternoon. Alright, so and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an experiment using apple. Alright, so I got this notion that they actually used to wax apple to keep it not from spoiling or I don't know, just to keep it for a longer while and all of that stuff. So I kind of I was actually using knife the other time to just peel, like kind of scrape the skin out so I can see if the wax is going out. So what I'm going to be doing at first, I'm going to be boiling water, which oops, I've already done that. So I'm going to be boiling this water and I'm going to be putting it on the apple to see if the wax is going to come out, or to see if they actually did put some wax on this one. I don't know, because some people say that the wax they actually put on apples and food or fruits like that edible wax, which nobody can say it is edible or not. I don't know. For me, I don't know, and that's why I want to see if the wax is going to come out of the apple. But before I pour hot water on it to see if the wax comes out or not, I'm going to scrape it, and I'm going to be using this knife to do that. And I'm going to be scraping it just very lightly, so to see if there is even any wax on this ones that they actually import to Nigeria, because of course some of the things they actually import to Nigeria, they just I don't know, they just kind of say that they just do it anyhow. So I want to see if there will be wax on this particular one. Alright, so let me scrape it. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to be scraping okay, I think there is a wax. You can see that. You guys can see that there is a wax. There's a wax on this one. There is. Take it up a little. Down a little. Thank you. There is, you can see that. But the wax that they use on it is actually not really much. You can see that. I hope the wax that is on this apple is edible, because if it's not edible, we are finished. So I'm still gonna be peeling that. This video is actually to experiment, okay, and also to show you guys the wax that I can bring out of this particular apple. Okay, I don't know if this wax is actually safe for the body. I actually saw this somewhere, and also some people are actually saying it that there are wax on all the stuff that they import to Nigeria. Okay, let me just continue scraping this part and see how much of the wax can come out. Okay, let me scrape just one place and see how much. And after I've scraped, I'll have to use the hot water method to see how much of the wax would come out. That's if it's gonna be even visible at all. For this particular one that I'm doing, is actually visible. You can see the wax coming out. Okay, let me do that too with the green apple and see. Honestly, there is a wax. You can hardly detect it. There is a wax. Look at that. You can see that. There is. But the amount in which the put on the apple is not really much. But honestly, this part, look at that. Oh my God, may God help us while we eat. Especially all those foreign stuff, you know, that they bring to Nigeria. It's just something else. So I'm gonna be boiling hot water and I'm gonna be pouring it on it, and let's see if I think that is gonna help to melt the wax or something. But if it's gonna spoil the if it's gonna spoil the apple, I'm honestly not gonna eat it. But I'm just making an experiment, guys. Let me get a plate and then so I can. The water is already boiling. Okay, so I'll just have to, and I'll be putting it there. Okay, I'll be right back when the water finished boiling. I'm going to allow the water boil so much. I'm just going to pour it in on the apple like that. Oh my God, this is changing the color of the apple. This is crazy. It's not a good idea. No, it's not a good idea. Look at that, it's changing the color. Oh my God, it's cooking it. Okay, I'll have to bring it out. Okay, so the color have actually changed from the normal red apple to oxblood, which is a cooked apple. I'm not going to advise anybody to do it this way. I don't know the proper way to remove this wax, but I just, you know, got this idea and I said let me use warm water. But I think it's kind of removed the wax, but not all, because there are still some wax left on the apple. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be experimenting it with the green apple. Also, I hope it doesn't cook it. I'm just gonna be pouring water on it. Okay. Alright. So for this one, I'm gonna leave it for a while, and then I'm gonna turn it to see if the wax is just gonna go off a little bit. If getting rid of a wax, you know, from apple and making the apple, you know, good to consume, I think I'm gonna do that. It's still fresh though. Yep, it's still fresh from the inside, but from this outside it kind of removes the wax, and you know, not, and then it then dim the color. It's not as shiny as this one. So this one, I don't know, you can see the difference from the color and this one. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be pouring the hot water on this one too. I would have to test and see if this one, I can feel that there's still some wax on it. I don't know as much as it was, and it's still very fresh. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Alright guys, well, just like I said earlier before I began this video, I said it was just an experiment because I've seen videos where I've seen a particular video where, you know, someone was removing so much wax from an apple, and I was, you know, beginning to think that apple is not good. It's not good to eat. Like, it's not. It is, with all those amounts of wax on the apple, I mean, it's just, it might, you know, do something else instead of, you know, giving you all the vitamins and you know, that apple should give. So I decided to try it out and see. But this one, there is, you can see that yourself, there is still some wax on it, but it is not very much. I think those very big apples, very shiny apples, will contain a large amount of wax, but there's a better way you can get rid of the wax before eating it. I prefer you just do that, because for me, I just love organic stuff. That's why I kind of buy my fruits in my local market. Anything that has to do with fruits, I buy it in my local market. I don't buy it in the ShopRite and shopping malls, because those ones are imported ones, and those imported ones, I'm not saying they're not good, but they contain some preservatives, you know, and who knows. So that's it guys. If you did find this video interesting or something, do thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow, bro. And also share the video. Bye guys, peace.